Hello everyone, my name is PRAJWAL and I am here with the video innovation and design thinking workshop. I am a first year AIDS in the Senior Institute of Technology and my product name is Dustbin and product proposed name that is I given the name is by Infinity. Empathizing. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as I said by customers during the empathizing activity that is automatic dustbin and automatic recycle waste. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of the customer, my new fitted to the existing product name, Dustbin, and according to customer, I gave the futuristic product name that is by Infinity. 88. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here, that is separating message and auto recycling. This is the prototype of my dustbin. I request the viewers of the presentation of the video comment your opinion to the satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.